In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF in Paperform. To begin, open your browser and search for Paperform. Click the official Paperform site in the results to make sure you're in the right place, then head to Log In. Sign in with your usual account to reach the dashboard. From the dashboard, select Create a Form. You can pick from hundreds of designer-made templates if you want a head start, or choose Start from Scratch for a blank canvas. Templates are great when you want a proven structure. Starting from scratch gives you full control over layout and wording. Next, add the fields you need. Click the plus icon to add a question, or type /commands like text to insert fields quickly. Common fields for a fillable PDF include name, email, and address. Keep labels clear and concise, and use help text if a question needs extra context. Short, descriptive questions make the final PDF easier to read. Before moving on, make the form look like your brand. Open the theme menu to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so your form and the generated PDF feel consistent. Simple, high-contrast fonts tend to print best. Once your form is ready, it's time to design the PDF that will be populated with answers from each submission. Go to After Submission, choose Custom PDFs, and click Add PDF. This opens the PDF editor, which works much like the form editor. Type the static text you want to appear on every PDF, things like section headings or disclaimers, and place images like your logo if needed. Then position spaces where the responses will appear so the layout stays tidy and readable. Leave sensible margins to prevent clipping when printing. When you're happy with the design, set up delivery. Navigate to After Submission, then Emails. Create a custom email for respondents or for your team, and in the Attach Custom PDFs drop-down, select the PDF template you just created. This ensures each submission automatically generates a personalized PDF and attaches it to the email. Before sharing your form publicly, preview and submit a quick test entry to confirm that the right answers flow into the right spots and the file looks good on both desktop and mobile. If something is misaligned, return to the PDF editor to nudge elements into place. That's it. Your Paperform is ready to collect responses and produce clean, fillable PDFs automatically.